That's a nigga who cheat on his old lady. If you betray the closest person to him, he'll do anyone the same. See my circle is small and with few command. Just me and the broskis. Need a S game, damn. The slid know how to use those keys. With financial, she okey dokey. She don't play no hokey pokey. Just hockey stick, made her pucker up like Gretski or 𝔤𝚑𝚐𝚎𝚎. Spider woman in the web like Annette, nenette, call her nefi. She lives, she my spider queen, queen of spider soley. On the stiller side, I wiped her up, curvy like 𝔰𝕧𝕖𝔫. She right there. Slid ops daily, they complaining I don't fight fair. Go in under these men gone before. I track stars, I take it there. Solid, don't have to act hard. Catch me in Australia with his 𝔊𝔬𝔲𝔬𝔲𝔏 at Diznee and Cherokee. 𝔬𝔬𝔲𝔬𝔲𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔬 did my roles early. She came over and over and over again, all over this lapel liking. Surely, this is my life, man. Only right, man. Pay the price, sacrifice, man. And my powers and senses is height, man. Heightened. But you ain't never seen no real holographic ice, man. It's Van King, no 16, that's a Viking. The Vice King, from Gangsta the Sight King. Good news for you, after I Mariano Rivera close the game, you be known as the one who talk all that shit, but was scared to catch that fade. Guess he prepping with a boxer trying to train, but she trying to fight a woman. See, I bet she probably whip your head, boy, you better behave. If you want that purse first, you fumble the bag, now you in last. Remember mine? That's a downgrade, bro. Facts on facts, pick up where you left off. How you wear a cross, but on the subject of spirit, you know nothing at all. When you betray your lady, you betray yourself, dog. Now nobody picking you up off the shelf, dog. Like numbers rapping about black love, you exhibit hate for the form of love. How you form them in your mouth to discuss black love, huh? Is you an expert? You an export. Got shipped out to another Jersey team, Brooklyn Net. Ain't nothing much. Might wanna revisit New Jersey, huh? Life's a roller coaster ride, topsy-turvy, huh? That's the term. Let's turn Vic, throw a TD or catch a Vic, vapor rub the failures in your face, boy. I'ma call Mace, boy, so we can say to your face, boy, it is what it is. While camera sitting right there with the camera on, laughing at your ass like shit. Stab baby recording all the L's you took from a nigga straight up across like I'm a good. If you knew what I took to get to this point, you'd be shook, scared to look. Ain't no such thing as halfway crooks, son. Nice having us talking about the book, son. Here, book, son. It's called Holy Quran. Told you to stop all that gun talk to this Farrakhan, huh? Set you on the right path only for you to veer off and crash. Bands and scoop. It's like you a baby all over again. Papoose. It's like you a baby again all over Papoose. Being a Papoose. You a baby all over again. Ain't that his name, Papoose? Missing that playboy, that's your fault, dog. You lost it all to a nigga. You lost it all to a nigga with the light bag with a big heart. And that's where you lost from the start. I started right where you left off. Started right where you left off. I picked up where you left off. Where you fumbled the bag, I brought it back for the touchdown, dog. From the bag, I brought it back for the touchdown. I picked up right where you left off, dog. You lost. When you gon' catch this fade? Partner, I give you my home address. You can come through in the shorts, and I can push it on the floor and cut the camera. Put that shit on, put there in the cloud. Everybody can laugh out loud to your ass getting whipped on the West Coast, niggas, you shit. Won't you come out my way, 1519 Alice Street, where they hit the SWAT and broke all my windows off, man. Hey, been solo bolo, soldier on my own. Kid, why you talk about going to war, nigga? I really been through shit. What you talking about, man? You ain't in the trenches, you sitting up high, nigga, with your nose in the air, nigga. I ain't nosebleed, but you still sitting on the bench like you lonely, G. Who is that? Oh, I thought that was your broski. My bad. Let me put on my glasses so I can see straight. Oh, I see two whole seats. Two whole seats. Hokey Pokey playing. But you broke me. Soon as she lose a fight, man, it's gonna lose all cheese. Not so much cheese. Better get the rapping, my nigga, and talk about shit that people wanna hear. Nobody in the Midwest really know who you are, kid. Had who? Oh yeah, the one that was married to Remy Ma, from with the bad. Oh yeah.